How do employment agencies work? It's a simple process, really. A job seeker is looking for work. An employer is looking for workers. The employment agency acts as the bridge between the two parties. Now, how does the agency bridge the gap? Well, it all starts when a job seeker applies for work through the agency. The agency might have attracted the job seeker via a variety of means: help wanted ads, online job boards, word of mouth, or even a YouTube video, like the one you're watching right now. What does the employment agency do for the job seeker? Basically, the agency does everything it can to match the job seeker to the right job and put them to work. The job seeker is taken through the application process, and if all goes well, becomes the agency's employee. The employee is then sent out on loan to an employer for which the agency charges a fee to that company. This is a free service for the employee. If you cross paths with an employment agency that wants to charge you to find you a job, be wary. What does the employment agency do for the employer? The employers are, in reality, the agency's clients. The agency serves their clients' interests by finding them the right people for their jobs. The client is charged a fee when the right employee is found, which is how an employment agency makes money. The employment agency provides many services to their clients, including interviews, screening, human resource services, workers' comp, and more. Sometimes the agency will send an employee to a client to start work right away. Other times, they'll first need to submit the job seeker's resume for an interview. Now, depending on the situation, the employment agency will provide the job seeker with guidance. They might help with the resume, provide interview tips, or other advice, as it's in the employment agency's interest that the job seeker gets the job. But that's only true if they found the right person. Sending an unqualified person out to a job will compromise the agency's relationship with their client. Also, it's just not a good situation for the job seeker. At Your Employment Solutions, our mission is to send the right person to the right job the first time and every time. We want to make sure our employees are hired for a job that fits their best interests. If a job seeker is sent for an interview and gets the job, they're generally put to work as soon as possible. Now, the length of time that a job seeker remains an employee of the agency will vary. Some jobs are temporary, others are long-term but indefinite. Some clients work the employee on a trial basis, say 90 days, before extending a permanent offer of employment with their company. Some employers will execute a direct hire right away. Alternatively, if a job seeker interviews and doesn't get the job, or decides in a professional manner that the job isn't a good fit, an employment agency can sometimes provide other job options, which is another advantage of working with a staffing company. A job seeker can apply to many different jobs via one application. And that's it. That's how employment agencies work. Like I said, simple. If you have any questions or want to work with the best employment agency in Utah, give Your Employment Solutions a call or visit any one of our locations in Salt Lake, Ogden, or Logan. You can also find us online at youremploymentsolutions.com. Thanks for watching.